sapure e akita na kongaya e suandangira ai tamero ara e meti Yesu e varaki onde ai pukinara kure siri ai nate e paetangirira tamera rikarawa e meti Yesu e varaki onde ai pukinara kure siri ai nate e paetangirira tamera rikarawa e meti Yesu e varaki onde ai pukinara kure siri ai nate e paetangirira tamera rikarawa e meti Yesu e varaki onde ai pukinara kure siri ai nate e paetangirira tamera rikarawa.
Ita kumane meni kunara ina nunte ngabungai siria ina taya pe atangirira tamera rikarawa aya kya korake awastaki nganya kona megina te kukure ingwe kote meto ngongora ira ke namde erio kai kwa usine ben swanga ke baye ya tangiri kunde tangira ya kya tokina raw meni kuna mane ya wasira ngane ne gargoira ndara tainga wa wide minisi minti ya vavanua me uringa este meto na ben ngakina ko ina nunte awon me meten nano ngayeren kana kota kupa yei me meten nano me akotangira ni kanongora ya kene ina nunte ngapo ngayo kito am katikiroi kya kukure ngane ni busmai ko yonna utare po nampa ai suwa wo wakia o wato wana ke ten wakia ke komenti on the live ngia ko de meto ni kakai tarai anongora men nam tapane ko ngongora me yei
Got a hold on me. Something got a hold on me. Well, I went to the meet last night, and my heart wasn't right. Oh, something got a hold on me. The preacher, he preached so hard. The preacher, he preached so hard. You know, I went to the meeting last night, and my heart wasn't right. Oh, something got a hold on me. Got a hold on me. Oh, yes, it did one day. Something got a hold on me. Well, I went to the meeting last night, and my heart wasn't right. Oh, something got a hold on me. Invitation came one day to stand up in church and say, all my brothers and my sisters, we ain't doing like we ought to do. We need to raise our hands and shout, take the devil and kick him out. And there's something get a hold on. Something got a hold on me. Something got a hold on me. Oh, yes, it did one day. Something got a hold
Ahora tenga wabi mewa de minisi minti ava vanua. O yin kan de meme de nano re khosiri nanu na utare boni nanu te nga ponga yo. O ta ko te kan de meme de nanu ayo. Kuna meuri yo radio FM 89 me yo ne ta me kai. Ta yo ka me na bubusi ko me kuna katanga te kuna re ni katua pong. Pai boni banaun ka katigiroi na ko ne yema yeni mo ni korona na rikin te ponga yo. O na meuri ko kwete sa meme de nanu me yo ne ta me kai kuna meuri mo nanu te nga ponga yo. Imain na nakatanga memeten nanom. O yakawatawang kan te banan kakatigiroi na koyum ne yema men banan Hope Radio FM 89 ni koron nam dirigi tenungan te bungayo. Teswa na de meto ni kakapaya on tayo na ko. O ni kahawagini ko. Inanon dikira ke mo sang uraki na kon te memeten nano retangira ki pena tangi bukim. Inanon te nga bungayo.
Tua pong imanangan ikari ang sa kameyo. Ikatua pong imanangan ikari ang sa kameyo. Ikatua pong kay riray ang nairiko. Kay riray ang nairiko. Ikatua pong imanangan ikari ang sa kameyo. Ikatua pong ganay ko teray ko ang ituwagan. Ganay para nanong niya mo'y meyaw na iyan. Marki may sinampay atong naraya. Pawe na miminan o piron Jesus. Marki ang bayatong naraya. Marki ang baynoraron tewe.
the villains, tired of all the killing, tired of the men who make the laws and break them anytime they please. I'm tired of all the big lies. Where are all the good guys? Sometimes I swear I feel the way that Noah did when the Lord commanded, build an ark, head for the open water. Save your sons and your daughters. Build an ark. Build an ark. When the storm is ended, you know the world has been ended. Build an ark.
My father and my mother, my sisters and my brothers, all of the friends I care about, and the woman that I learned to love, I'll gather them together. I promise them forever we'll be safe from the world around us. All we have to do is to love each other.
Build an ark. Head for the open water. Save your sons and your daughters. Build an ark. Build an ark. When the storm is ended, you know the world has been mended. Build an ark. I'll gather them together, promise them forever. We'll be safe from the world around us. All we have to do is to love each other. You've got to head for the open water. Save your sons and your daughters. Build an ark. Build an ark. When the storm is ended, you know the world has been ended. Build an ark. Build an ark. Head for the open water. Save your sons and your daughters. Build an ark. Build an ark. When the storm is ended, you know the world has been ended. Build an ark.
Gana ko kanigin dine, duwante aswa. Ikipate torong ko. Gana ko kanigin dine, duwante aswa. Dikipate torong ko. Dikipate torong ko. Dikipate torong ko. Gana ko kanigin dine, duwante aswa. Dikipate torong ko.
O Yesu e te tita na ne wariri. O e kaki pako ia o e tau. Ia po e tun kami. O kana ka magirene. O kana ka makarutonga rui a te ka wariri. O kamuna ko nanin o e tesu. Me ngai ei. O kana ka mreire. O men ka tutunga rui a te ka wariri. O moni bentiri. O moni benti ka kana. O kami na penuenta na. Arika.
Dikipate torong ko. Dikipate torong
Ora taingai wabi mene me wari ki te minis mankai mga po te awaruaiwa. Yon banan Hope Radio FM 89. E punang biri mga te bete taiki. Takapupu e te me tuana penanga nga kapupu na. Ngari te sangura. Ste me tuana pen wakina ko inanun te awani me meten nano. Menkanaro na pa. Yei kuna me ako puntang ina ni kanong raya kin na inanun te ingapong ngei. Tere tau ko. Reita kina ko yon na utare po namba isuwa wawakia. Wawatowana ake tenung wakia. Ke komenti on the live ingia ko tabi ni kakaitarai nungongora menam tapa no kongora meyei meyo na bang kan de memeten nano are tangira kina ko na bukin te nga po ngayo ta ko de kan de memeten nano ayo ko na meuri mo na tangira arawi ari Yesu Kristo tayo ka men na bubusi ko pa ko na kana ko to wana amrine rine pakategirawa ni bu tangira kiro kayanta ke tanes trotas yon New Zealand ni kekei nakameuri ko mo ko ite sa memeten nano po itanes menam tapa no ko te meto ni kakaitarai meyei meyon neita meikanya ko na meuri Gerini ang kande te kunari airi meswam pangayari na tang pa panam ni kakatikiroi na ko ni buom ina no spangay na no te ngapo ngayo riki nakate meto te airi meswan ang tayo na ko no spangana na waki ni kapene ngayari ayong kane ari yari neya pianatang panam ni kakatikiroi na ko ni buom ina no may turuturan te ngapo ngayo meyon koropu tarawa Kupunti meto na pendong ngorai dari kinam reida nanon te ngapong ngei teta ingai wapu iri kite minisa mga po tse awarwaiwa uringa ya mawan memeten nano ena to kiro ingan tse awarwaiwa meyo na bang kande memeten nano are khosiri nanon na utare pon ta ko te han de memeten nano ayo kuna meuri mo de sakano ko bana tayo kame kunang puni katanga memeten nano te kuna re vari kiampai pasinang puni ka meuro nongorai ai meyo neita meikai on ka meuri kong te sa memeten nano are kokosiri nanu na utare pon erang kura nanu gani gina ko pantain kue me aki aurora me bangkai ya ko de metua ni ka kaitarai yo nungurai dari kinam rerio on ta tani ngano ko ni me meten nanom ngayere me yon ni ta me kanne on me yon korbo me ga ta ro bandang kata me meten nanom
Family, friends, and money, and loved the Lord with all his heart. So the devil went to God and said, "Oh, Job would fall apart if you should take away his fortune. Let me put him to the test." Soon poor Job had lost his health and wealth and all the rest. And as his troubles added up, he fell down on his knees and said, "Lord, I still got one thing, and that's your love for me. You got to count your blessing. You'll find one if you try. Count on the Lord and watch that blessing multiply. Those might have, could have, should have beens are nothing but distressing. When you're down and out, it's time to count your blessing." And you may go through hard times when you fall into despair. Remember you're surrounded by His blessings everywhere. It's in a neighbor's helping hand or in the sunshine of a smile. One blessing leads to one more. You'll be counting for a while. It's best to look at what you have, forget what you have not, and just learn a lesson from old Job. Give thanks for what you got. You got to count your blessing. You'll find one if you try. Count on the Lord and watch that blessing multiply. Those might have, could have, should have beens are nothing but distressing. When you're down and out, it's time to count your blessing. One risen Savior, one perfect love, one holy promise, one is enough. You got to count your blessing. You find one if you try. Count on the Lord and watch that blessing multiply. Those might have, could have, should have beens are nothing but distressing. When you're down and out, it's time to count your blessing. Count your blessing. Name them one by one. Count your blessing.
E kakameu te anene e linia mutere na patau e waira ke I ai nano I ai ni kai e te wankerio e kakameu te anene e linia mutere na patau e waira ke I ai nano I ai ni kai e te wankerio tai te tai kapara na kontianene poni ngai ai e te wankerio pasina e ke nai ai we an Yesu ye na ko ai sita na ki rawata erini uana no raiai ongo tangin panante anene ni kai te wa tau na ki rawawata erikini uana norayay ongo tangin panante anene ni kayeye ate wangkeryo tay 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 tapara na kontianene boni ngayayen te wangkeryo pasina ye ake na ye wean yesu ye na ko yay tay 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 tapara na kontianene boni ngayayen te wangkeryo pasina ye ake na ye wean yesu ye na ko yay
Hawara ingai ebon si de bime wari kite minis mengai yang mengapo te awarwaiwa ebon rangi BCC de peta tayayo ngayaren kana kota ba yei memeten nanum giam kategiro ya kota ngira nikani kana kwa aku kuriko mina na waki pem mete songora ayo na bangande de memeten nanu are tangira kina kona ibukin de nga ponga yo ada ko de kan de memeten nanu ayo kona meuri de sakana ko bana ina de nga ponga yai tayo kame kona katanga to wana am dinirine are nare ke baba na unika kategiro yo ro unte ina non te nga ponga yo ona ka meuri ungu de sa memeten nanu mek em kino no menamta bana ko de meto ni ka kaitarai me yei kona meuri Yarina ngande de kuna reponsi ngaya. Bangaya renatang papa nam ni kakategiro ina ko yerom te ina nonte nga po ngayo. Ay puneski padera rakanga ina non ramakuri si bangara ka ako akoro. Ponsi ti aswa ena ko nanta uroyo ni bukira. Nan narakanga nga ni kapen. Ngayari songora na kon aurineri neri yarine ye bukin panam kakategiro ina ko yerom te ina nonte nga po ngayo. men guna mane de songora meru ya kain deroron digira ke mei pairi ki kiana gina ki naraya de chaikas ya wosiran gane ni gargoira narata inka ya ipon si wanu ari ki de minis ay mga puot si awar waiwa me yo na bangane de meme de nan ore tangira ki na kona ibugin de inga ponga yo o de meme de nan we yero meru ni gere meri teta o da de han de meme de nan we koda yo kana beni gatanga meme de nan ore khatia mengau meru ya kain de case pon me yon kropo ikane korapa saben de gero ina nun de inga ponga yo Neri dia también nam tapan ko timya tuani ka kaitarai me yo te panamoni ka kameuri na koim pona meuri ayon kan de memeten nanom are poni memeten nanom
and it overlooks life's sea. When I'm tossed, you know it sends out a light that I might see, and the light that shines in darkness now will safely lead me o'er. And I know if it wasn't for the lighthouse, my ship would sail no more. Now everybody that lives around us, all around us, why they all say, tear that lighthouse down, and they say, we all know the big ships, they don't sail by this way anymore. There just ain't no use in that old thing standing round. Oh, but then my mind, it goes way back to that stormy night when just in time, oh, I saw the light. Don't you know it was the light from that old lighthouse? And it still stands up there on the hill, and I thank God for the lighthouse. I owe my life to Him. Jesus is the lighthouse, and from the rocks of sin He has shone a light around me that I could clearly see. If it wasn't for the lighthouse, tell me where would this ship be? I thank God for the lighthouse. I owe my life to Him. Jesus is the lighthouse, and from the rocks of sin He has shone a light around me that I could clearly see. If it wasn't for the lighthouse, tell me where would this ship be?
Ho men kuna mane de samurai wasirang kanene karo koiran narata ingai ai to wana de minisi minti avarwaiwa ina nende ngapo ngayo me yona pangane de meme de nano re khos o tangira kina khona o ta kute kan de meme de nano ayo kuna meori de ngapo ngayo ta yo kan katanga te kuna re yurutarem pai pun kate kiro wara ina nende ngapo nge mai turu wei o yari kina pa panaun ka kate kiro ina kontari wei me puna ni wai rio ina kon weekend menasia sabusia na beswara be pia kawa kenia ni manangaya kurapa o te kiro ingwede sakana ko pana o na meuri ingwede sa meme de nano nante ngapo ngayo te mewa ka pokia menam tapa no ko te meto ni ka kai tarai me yai kona meuri ayun kane meme de nanom aro ko puntang ni kan us nungra ya kinno ni ka mew ko menam tapa no ko te meto ni ka kai tarai me yai ari eri kina pai panam ni ka te kiro ina kontari me puno na sia ina nuna yata in wairio ke in weekend ngayare saungora na kon meme de nano mara ko tangina
John saw a city that could not be hid. John saw this city, oh, crystal sea. There's got to be more. What will it be? I want to go to that city he saw, New Jerusalem. Your streets that are golden, and I want to run where the angels have trod. Jerusalem, I want to rest on the banks of your river. In that city, the city of God. John saw the lion lay down by the lamb. I want to know everything about that land. John saw the day, but he did not see night. The Lamb of God, well, he must be the light. And he saw the saints worship the great I am, crying, worthy, worthy is the Lamb. I want to go to that city he saw, New Jerusalem. Jerusalem, I want to walk your streets that are golden, and I want to run where the angels have trod. Jerusalem, I want to rest on the banks of your river. In that city, the city of God. Sing for the night is your streets that are golden, and I want to run where the angels have trod. Jerusalem, I want to rest on the banks of your river. In that city, the city of God.
Waran kia ko te meto nang ngorai reki nam rere no nte inga bongei ai suwa te minisi min tia warwaiwa o narun nare ko bonta tane ye ni ka katoa bon tia warwaiwa nte inga bongo e to kin kanda kanwan na mawa ni meme ten nano ngayarin te tayo yung kanda te saungora sa mga ruko na pento kina kanwan na mawa ni meme ten nano no nte inga bongei o yero ne hanga ya kito kina nong waki men kami me apon nesti te akari ye ito kini pani kapene ngayari ya bonta pe kamo panaun karapako ibukin namta yo ame meten nano maresasa nuso ne po yeswara ina nunda me arwande nga po ngayo angwene to ya kire ki amdaini kana kwa memeten nanon boko beni mani ngana kwa memeta kwa ngongora kwa kire rome sama ngapuni ka spoken tia baroite bi me wo me kunam ari e memete ya ina no